So something I wanted to go over and show you guys, I had some previous comments talking about shrinkage with some of these chemicals. So I have an epoxy, the super high build polyester surfacer primer that I use on a lot of my projects that people say has a lot of shrinkage, but I'm hoping to debunk that here. I also have a couple primer samples and a clear coat sample as well. Now these things have actually been sitting out for, I would say about a month or so, just to kind of show you what these look like. Now again, I am learning here as well, so if you have any input, please let me know in the comments. The epoxy here, as you can see, there was basically no shrinkage. As we move on to the polyester super build primer, this stuff sprays pink and then you sand it to a gray, kind of like a guide coat. You can see in there's very, very little shrinkage. I mean, if anything, that's just because I moved the cup around and it just cracked around the edges. This is a 2K primer that I purposely had a whole lot extra left over in it. It's a bit of excessive amount, but I also have a small amount here, and you can still see there's about, I don't know, you could maybe fit your finger inside of between the cup and the puck. Same thing with clear coat. It shrank a pretty good amount as well. I took the samples out of their cups just to kind of compare them. You can see how this one, the epoxy, didn't shrink. The polyester surfacer here is rock hard, and the primer here, it's actually still a little soft yet, but you can see how much it shrank just laying it over the top of the polyester. Same thing with the clear coat. I am still learning, so if you have any ideas, please put them in the comments.